Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you about general psychology. So, let's start with the introduction. What is psychology? Psychology is the study of how we think, feel and behave. How we think, feel and behave. How we think means what is the thinking process going in our mind. What is the thinking process going in our mind? If someone slaps me, I will feel pain. What I will feel? I will feel pain. But the response that I will give to him or her, that is how I behave. That is psychology. Why people are interested in taking psychology? Why people are interested? Because it help us understand. What it help us to understand? Why we feel happy, why people feel happy, why people feel sad, how we make decision, what are the things that help us to make decisions, why we feel, why we behave in certain ways, what are the behavior in certain ways, positive or negative. Let's take an example. If your friend is always angry, psychology helps you understand why. Why your friend is always angry, psychology helps you understand why. Maybe they are stressed. Why your friend is always stressed or have problems at home or have problem what problems they face at home is that their family don't listen to them or ignore them. Second reason is they don't give attention to them. They don't listen to them. There are many reasons that a child faces, that your friend faces in your home, that makes him angry. There are many common wrong beliefs. What are the wrong beliefs people think about psychology? People think psychologists only treat mad people. This is wrong. Psychology only don't treat mad people. Some people think psychology can read mind just by looking at your face. People just think psychologist can read mind. Can people read mind just looking by looking at your face? No, it is wrong. People confuse psychologists with astrologers. What is astrologers or palm readers? Psychologists use science. Astrologers are those who read future. A palm reader, hand reader, palm reader, hand reader. Or psychology use science, not magic or predictions. Predictions means magic only. What will you learn in psychology? What are the things that you will learn in psychology? What is the real meaning of psychology? Do you understand what is the real meaning of psychology? We will study further. It is a science or art. Is this a science or art? How do you know our brain, emotions, and learning affect our behavior? Do you understand how our brain and emotions and learning affect our behavior? Do you understand why this happened to us? Let's understand. If you are nervous before exams, psychology explains why that happens. Psychology will explain why this happened and how to control it. If you are nervous, this will help you how to control it. Next part is psychology, its origin and evolution. Origin means the starting point. The starting point of something is the origin, and evolution means the continuation of something. Starting of something and the evolution means the continuation of something. The word psychology comes from two Greek words. Psychology comes from two Greek words. If I break it into two parts, we will get psyche and logos. Psyche means soul or breath. Soul means deeper thoughts or breath. We can call it or breath. Logos means study or knowledge. Knowledge that we get from the environment. So psychology means the study of the soul or mind. What do you understand by psychology? The study of the soul. Soul or mind. Mind means brain. Psychology started beginning from a real science. Psychology started becoming a real science around 1819. When it is started, psychology term started from 1870s. In 1879, a German philosopher named Wilhelm Wundt started the first psychology labs. He started the first psychology lab. He started in Leipzig, Germany. In Germany, he started the psychology lab in Leipzig, Germany. This is why he called the father of modern psychology. Why he is called the father of psychology? Because he started, a German philosopher named Wilhelm Wundt started the first philosophy lab in Leipzig, Germany. What did Wundt study? He studied how our minds works by looking at. What do you want to study? How our mind works by looking at thoughts, feelings, sensation, and emotions. Sensation means feelings, emotions, feelings, thoughts. If you touch something hot, your mind feels pain and your body reacts. Psychology studies how and why this happens. What did psychology study? When we touch a hot object, how our mind feel pain and how it reacts. Why was 1879 important? Before 1879, psychology was a part of philosophy. What is philosophy? A lecturer who give lecture, not a separate subject. Afterward, psychology became its own science field. Definition of psychology. Over time, many experts have given different definitions. Many different definition has been given by the psychologist experts. First explanation given by Morgan L. 1986. What did he say? Psychology is the science of human and animal behavior. It is not just the human behavior, it is also the animal behavior. It helps us solve real life problems using his knowledge. It also helps us solve our real life problems. Many real life problems can be solved by using the term psychology, by using this knowledge.